Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Vinco Ventures, ticker symbol BBIG. Now, there is a lot of hype behind this stock right now with some major catalysts upcoming. We're going to break down all the different PR that's been coming out surrounding Vinco Ventures, including the most important one, which is this potential merger with Zash Global. Then we're going to take a look at the chart. We're going to break down key levels and key indicators so we know how to play this and we know what to expect moving forward. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so before we get started, just want to encourage everybody to leave a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out tremendously. If we can get to 100 subscribers by the end of the weekend, I will be doing a full day live stream on Monday where I will break down charts for you guys, answer any questions you have, and I'm also going to show you my process for day trading as we find the next 20 to 30 to 50% runner. So if that sounds good to you, then subscribe to the channel and let's hop right into the analysis. Okay, so hopping right into the different PR catalysts that Vinco Ventures has going for it right now. The first one, they announced this on Friday. You can see that they announced an exclusive NFT album by artist Tory Lanez. Now, Tory Lanez is kind of a piece of shit. He is the guy who shot Megan Thee Stallion in the leg. But that being said, this whole NFT album thing, this is a game changer. This is the first of its kind, and it's showing that they are willing to branch out and continue their strategy of just really taking over this NFT space by storm. We already saw news last week that they did pre-sale their first immersive NFT for $2 million. My understanding of these ENFTs are they're essentially just NFTs on steroids. And you see that they had 3 available for pre-sale. They sold their first one for $2 million. I'm sure if those work out, they're going to continue to do those. And obviously, if you're generating $2 million in sale per ENFT, well, then you're going to be getting a lot of cash flow into your business. So that's also something to be bullish about. But now let's take a look at the major catalyst that people are talking about. It's this merger with Zash Global. And we saw the stock price of Vinco Ventures drop in March when they pushed back the merger date. However, you can see that they extended the merger until May 28th, 2021. That's supposed to be the proposed merger date. And guess what? We are right upon that date. And this merger could absolutely change the game for Vinco Ventures. Zash Global is essentially forming a technology that's a rival competitor to TikTok. It's infiltrating the Indian market where TikTok is banned, and it could completely change the bottom line for Vinco Ventures. So much cash flow incoming. And now all the speculation becomes, does this merger come through? Well, let Zash Global help calm your fears. They say right here in a tweet, big things coming. That's all we're going to say. And honestly, that's all I need to confirm that this merger is well on its way. Twitter does most of my DD for me, and this just goes to show that this merger will come. But be careful, this could be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. However, people are very, very bullish on what's to come for Vinco Ventures. As you can see here, by the unusual options activity, sizes 100 contracts or more. It's all just bullish buying calls, different expiration dates. A lot of these 618 ones, people are very, very bullish on this merger news, and the chart just goes to confirm how bullish it has been over the past few days. You see that we started the week down here in the mid $2 range and made it all the way to touching $4 on Friday. Things are looking very, very up heading into this merger. Taking a look at different indicators, we can see first off, right here, this yellow line, that's the volume weighted average price, the VWAP. We closed above it on Friday. That means we're in bullish territory heading into next week's trading session. Okay, when it comes to the moving averages, I talk about these in pretty much all of my videos. I have the 21-day EMA, that's the purple line, and then the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. That's the light blue and light orange lines. They're all sitting right here, and BBIG, after a solid week, is well above all of them. That means things are looking very bullish for this stock in the short term, in the intermediate term, and in the long term. Taking a look at the OBV on the daily, you can just confirm that. I mean, it is sitting at an all-time high. And that just goes to show you that volume buying and big money is flowing into the stock. They are very interested in what this merger has in store for the future of Vinco Ventures. So keep that in mind as well. But now let's just break down key levels. We're taking a look at support first. So you can see that our support levels based on historical data, we got support at 360, 330, and 285. And if it does break that, then we will go back to retesting these moving averages. Always keep these in mind, even if it does just keep skyrocketing up, because these are the exact levels you want to be buying at. Okay. If you buy at support levels, then you minimize your risk and maximize your upside. Let's say you buy at 360 and that support doesn't hold. Well, guess what? You can cut your position at 350 and you only lost 10 cents a share. But if it does hold, well, now all of a sudden this thing can push to our new resistance levels at 4 or 4.3, and all of a sudden you are looking very, very profitable on your trades. So that's why we keep those support levels in mind if we are going long on the stock. But now taking a look at the resistance levels, let's say the bullish run does continue. Well, you can expect resistance at $4. That's a major psychological level. Then 420, 485, and another big psychological level at $5. If it does break $5, who knows how high this can go. But it's definitely possible with this major catalyst upcoming. So keep those levels on your chart and let me know whether you agree with my analysis, whether you disagree, and what you think is going to happen in the next coming week. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. I'm happy to answer them. Other than that, leave a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And aside from that, have a great rest of your weekend.